We didn't bronze, we didn't contour. Especially with women like you. Hey boo, what is up? So in today's video, we are doing another quick makeup tutorial because I know how much you love that. I am a full glam girl, but even me, girl, I be trying to speed the process up, hurry it up. If I can look really good, really quick, that's the goal for me as well. That's sort of what I have for you today. Lancome sent over a beautiful gift package. Thank you so much, Lancome, for sending over this beautiful gift. They sent over some makeup remover. Oh my gosh, I really like this. It leaves the skin feeling so soft. It's called the Biofacial eye makeup remover, and girl, it really do feel like a facial. It really does make the skin feel really good. And they sent over a brightening serum. Now this right here has a lot of powerful acids in it, but the great thing is it's not stinky, it doesn't burn, it's really gentle. It's good for fine lines, it's good for dark spots. So if you are struggling with any of those things, check this out. Be sure though to wear your sunscreen with this. Like I said, really powerful acids. Make sure not to use it with other exfoliants, any other AHAs or BHAs. No physical exfoliants, definitely no tretinoin, okay? You got to be careful when you use this. It is a powerhouse. But what I want to show you today is the liquid eyeshadow. Now these are eye and cheek tint, and I really like these. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't think that I was gonna like these because if you watch me, you already know you don't see liquid eyeshadow in my makeup videos. I don't use them, but these are really nice and they are so pretty. All of the shades are really gorgeous. We have some vibrant shades right here that are bolder and great for spring and summer and fun and playful. And then we've got muted shades that are perfect for every day, perfect for anyone who likes the monochrome look. I'm gonna play with these and give ourselves like a really nice, natural, cute look in like 5 minutes, girl. I kid you not. These are perfect for like a staycation. I know for sure my gym girlies will love these. Like if you are a person who works out and then you get ready at the gym, put your little makeup and stuff on, you will absolutely love these because you will only need a couple. Because like I said, you could put it on the eye and you could put it on the cheek. And everything that we are using today can literally be applied with your hands. Like that's why I say it's great for like the gym bag and stuff like that, because with the stuff that we're using today, you don't even need tools. When you apply makeup with your hand, it really looks so seamless. It melts in, it looks really natural, and all of these products blend out so pretty, so naturally, and so easily. So girl, let's get started because we finna get real cute real quick. So the first thing I'm going to do is skincare, of course. I'm going to start off with my Avo Cosmetics Botanical Toner. This is soothing, this is calming, it's hydrating, so incredibly good. Next, I'm going to go in with the Aqua Gel Defense. This is a moisturizer, it's a makeup primer, and it has SPF. I'll go in with the slightest bit of this. Now we're going to go in with a little bit of the Maybelline Master Prime because we are not using foundation, but we still want that foundation skin effect, right? When you put the foundation on, everything is smooth, everything is blurred, everything is color corrected and covered. We're going to get that by using this primer first. Now I'm going to put this in my trouble area, which is my pore area. I can tell you that it really makes the skin feel really good. And I'm gonna tell you this, what pores. So we're gonna give that a minute to just sit on the face, and while that is doing its thing, we'll be filling in the brow. Okay, now that the brows are beat, we're gonna go in with our concealers. This is how we're gonna get that very beautiful base without using foundation. We're going to use a little bit of concealer. This is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear in 460. I'm going to put this underneath my eyes so that this can be sitting and getting tacky. Ooh, I almost got that in my eye. And then for the rest of the face, we're going to use 530. Now this is a little dark for me, but that's okay, because when we put the glow on, it's going to all balance out. And I'm just really concentrating this on the lower half of my face because that's where I need it the most. And I'm just going to take my hand. Now we're going to add a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this is what's going to give us that nice luminous finish. Putting it on with my hand. And then just blend out the under eye like this. Next, we're going to set. Now these are the eye and cheek tints in shades 1, 2, and 3. Like I said, all of the shades are very, very beautiful, but we're going to use shades 1, 2, and 3 today. We're going to put 1 and 2 on the eyes and 3 on the cheeks. So I'm going to start off with 2 and just swipe it. Now the only thing about these is that they do dry down fast, so I'm going to work with one eye at a time. They blend out so effortlessly, so seamless, and it's like really good for anybody that just wants a very soft, mute look. Now you can use a brush, but it's not necessary. You don't need a transition color or anything for these. Like, I'm not sure how they did that, but yeah, you don't need one. If you want to use a transition color, you can use your bronzer, but it's really not necessary. Now here is shade 1. I pop this right in the center. Then let's add a little bit of cheek color, number 3. This one is my favorite, especially for the cheeks. So pretty. Look at how beautiful. My gym girlies is gonna love this for their makeup bag for the gym. And I'm gonna use a little bit of number 4 too, right here, just to soften that start of the blush. Just a little bit on like apple. Okay, now let's go ahead and set. Let's go in with a little bit of lip. This is the Juicy Tube, and I love this. It's just the right amount of stick, perfect shine, beautiful iridescent color, glitter, shine, glimmer. They really did this one a really good job on these glosses because it is thick. It is sticky. It is very shiny, but yet it doesn't like glop and run. Sometimes when a lip gloss is really thick and you put a lot on, it'll start to like droop and drag and drip, and it gets really messy and gloppy, and you get white stuff all right here. None of that. None of that. Perfect. Perfect stick. Perfect shine. Perfect glimmer. You know, you don't want too much glitter and stuff in your lips, especially for like a daytime look or a look where you're trying to not look really like made up. You just want to look put together and nice. This one is really, really beautiful, and the shade is in number 9. Next, let's go ahead and take some of the Lancome Idol. Now, I really like this one because it really makes the lashes look so curly. It does a really good job at that. And this will be really, really good for bottom lashes. Like if you love you some bottom lashes, girl, this is the mascara for you. We didn't bronze, we didn't contour. The goal is to look as cute as possible with as little effort as possible. So some steps we just have to skip. When you want quick makeup, you cannot do every step. And now for the coup de grace, go ahead and pop on you some lashes, girl. This is in style CEO, my new favorite, because girl, look, when I tell you, they're like your lashes but 10 times better. These are half lashes and I am obsessed. I've been obsessed with really combing the mascara through my lashes, making my lashes look really, really pretty, and then popping on this half lash at the end. So subtle, so sweet, so cute. Can't even tell. Okay, it really looks like your lashes just on steroids. Like no one, honestly, no one would know. So girl, this is the finished look, boo. I am selfie ready. I am lunch date ready. I am ready to go. We looking so cute. We didn't use any foundation. This look is so natural, so mute, so quick, so easy. Wasn't a lot of products, wasn't a lot of stuff. Like, girl, we did that. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about makeup, skincare, and fashion. And it's me, KiKi Carr, who will be in your inbox as your own personal beauty consultant for the free. You cannot beat that, boo. Click like, click share, click subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Mwah!
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fear.